Hello guys, this is my 400th video, and yes again, I'm doing this video special as usual. You know, Ratchet and Clank glitches, I'm still not tired of them. So first of all, as usually, thank you everybody, my friends, my subscribers, viewers, everybody who stayed with me throughout the years, and now I'm gonna do the glitch videos as usually, which is probably what I'm known for the most. Alright, I'm gonna suck a lot because I haven't played this game for ages. So, yeah. This is the first glitch found by MegaDogtoy. And it's basically how to get to secret area. This part isn't new at all, but this one is. So he said something like, go through the buildings, you know. Whoa, you can stand on this, wow, nice. And he said like fall down. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, that's pretty cool. Nice secret area. I don't think you can do much in here, but it's pretty cool anyway. Oh, this is solid. And the death awaits you outside. How cool is that? Alright, so that was the first glitch. Okay, second glitch found by blenderosaur. It was actually his sister, but I'm sure he's gonna be okay with that. So it's about how to make a robot, dance, and it's gonna be my first time trying to do this glitch. So let's see if I'm not gonna fail and look like an idiot. But he said something like destroy these robots. Alright, doesn't seem that it worked, so let's try again. Maybe I should throw the decoy more further. I don't know, like there. Let's see. Oh, is he dancing at all? Oh, oh, yeah, he is. Yeah, it's working. Well, it's probably not what you were expecting, but at least he does something. Oh, by something I didn't mean he's killing me, but oh well. So that was the second glitch. Third one. Okay, this one is by Naruto Shippuden 1 to 9, and it's how to get to a secret area. And let's hope I'm not gonna fail again with the decoying, because this is something I didn't do in ages. Wow. Okay. Let's try again. Will that work? No. Come on. Okay, let's see. Like there. Yes, yay, very good. I did my third try. That's pretty cool for somebody who didn't play this game who hadn't played this game since his previous video special. Alright, so that's pretty cool area. You're actually below that building, you know. Whoa. Okay. That's the tunnel where you swim to that place with the amoeboids. There they are. You can go in here a little, and you can use the cursor to see where you are, how further you can go, or just wrench, you know. So this is pretty much it. It's pretty cool. Shooting me even through, I'm not there. Oh, die. Whoa. Okay, so that was the glitch number 3. And here's another one. I saved the best for the last. This is BeautifulTechno's glitch, and it's gonna be another premiere for me. I didn't try it, so I don't know if it works, but it probably will. So let's see. It said something like stand on the button and use the hollow guys. Whoa! Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow, that's awesome. Now go in here and stop walking. Now you need the thruster pack. Oh no, I failed. Failed pretty terribly. Okay, let's try this again. So, let's see if it works like this. No. It probably works just from this side. Oh, I have to pick up another weapon. And now I have to do it. Don't mind these fails, alright? I fail in all kinds of things, like walkthroughs and glitch videos, that's pretty much it, but I do it. Alright, so, cool. Very nice find, BeautifulTechno, by the way. I mean, I probably couldn't find a glitch like this. Alright, now, need to be above that. Probably. Yes. Oh, and now we're in this awesome secret area. Cool. So I'm gonna explore a little bit since I wasn't here yet. Wow, nice. We're standing on level, you know. No, don't fall. Good. Alright, you can't go there. These things are solid, so let's try, no, let's not try. Yeah, it's just very awesome glitch. It's everything from BeautifulTechno, you know. He does very awesome glitches and stuff. Yeah, so that's it. Let's see what happens if you go back to the level. No, you can walk above the level all the time. And you can't go into this tube also. It's just very awesome being here, I tell ya. It's probably one of the best glitches. Okay, so I guess this is the highest point of this ship. I'm not sure, but it could be. I'll try to get inside. Okay, I didn't expect this also. It's just very awesome ship to mess around. I have no words, this is so epic. I mean, look at this, you're on the front of the ship. You're not supposed to be, of course. And there it is, the end of the glitch. Wow. So, I guess that's everything from this video special. From this video, sorry. And, expect part 2, of course. Yeah, that shouldn't take that long to make. I'll try to make that as soon as possible, so I hope you enjoyed this. I know I wasn't very entertaining and stuff, but still I hope you did. So, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys later.